Hi guys, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful holiday with your loved ones. Nabil, this video goes out to you since you wanted me to do a video on the spending multiplier. So guys, spending multiplier is connected to the fiscal policy. Okay, under fiscal policy guys, what happens is there is government expenditure. So let's say for an example, if the government spends 10 billion rupees, there is what is called a multiplier effect. Okay, in that multiplier effect, if I were to start off with the answer itself as an example, okay, let's say if the government spends 10 billion rupees, real GDP goes up by 30 billion. Okay, so that's an example only. Now in that case, the multiplier is 3 because you initially spent 10 billion and that had an impact of 3 times. So the real GDP increased by 30 billion. Okay, so you understood up to that point, right? So how this works is something like this. Okay, so when the government spend, I mean there is first round of spending as an example, right? In this first round of spending, let's say when the government spends 1 rupee, right? Somebody gets that 1 rupee, right? So in this 1 rupee, there are 2 possibilities that you can have, right? What are the 2 possibilities? One is to spend, other one is to save. Okay, so out of this 1 rupee, let's say for an example, somebody spends 75 cents and saves 25 cents. Okay, so then out of this 1 rupee, the marginal propensity to consume, okay, is 0.75 and the marginal propensity to save is 0.25. So what you have to do is very simple. You have to put this into a formula. Okay, the formula is 1 divided by 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. Okay, in order for you to find out the multiplier. Okay, so let's say for an example, in the earlier example, right, the marginal propensity to consume is 0.75 and the marginal propensity to save is 0.25. Correct, right? Okay, so then if that is the case, what you have to do is 1 divided by 1 minus 0.75. Why? 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. Okay, so the answer is 0.25. Then 1 divided by 0.25 is how much? Okay, the answer is 4. So in that case, if the question for you is that the government spent initially $10 billion or rupees, and then if the multiplier effect is 4, then the real GDP is increasing by 40 billion. Correct, right? So hopefully you understood that guys. Take care. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye.